We'll guide you through how to fix the keyboard typing numbers instead of letters. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying, as perhaps trying to go and write a word and you're just going and getting numbers. So here's how you can go and fix it. You need to go and locate the FN key on your keyboard. Hold that down, and what you need to do is find numlock. Press them down together. Then that should go and disable it, and then you should be able to go and type as normal. Press it again if you want to enable it again though. Leave a like if you found this useful. I look forward to helping you again.